Want to know some amazing gardening tips that can make your gardening journey easier and more productive? These 45 gardening hacks can revolutionize the way you approach your green space. Firstly, aloe vera can be used to boost root growth. Simply embed your cuttings into fresh aloe vera leaves before planting. This process can significantly help with rooting. Secondly, seal stem or branch cuttings with melted candle wax to prevent moisture loss. This can help extend the life of your cuttings. Thirdly, make use of your paper shredder. Shredded paper and cardboard can be used in compost bins to speed up decomposition. Tomatoes can be a tricky crop to grow. To help them reach their full potential, support tomato plants with GI wire stakes and strings for optimal growth. Banana peels might seem like compost material, but they can also be used as a fertilizer. Soak the peels in water, dilute, and use as a potassium-rich fertilizer. Train climbing veggies on arch-like trellises. This efficient method of support aids in nutrient transport, resulting in healthier plants. Plant tomato seedlings deep to encourage strong root development. This method is particularly effective for tomatoes, but can be applied to other plants as well. Anchor money plant aerial roots to moss sticks for bigger leaves. This simple trick can result in lush, vibrant greenery. When it comes to transplanting seedlings, use a spoon. This gentle method minimizes damage to the roots, ensuring a successful transplant. Root pineapple crowns in water before planting. This simple propagation method can yield a fresh pineapple plant. Use eggshell water for a calcium-rich soil. This not only recycles kitchen waste but provides necessary nutrients for your plants. Trapping pests can be as easy as using cello tape. Stick it on leaves to catch and remove pests. Soak root balls to remove clay soil before repotting. This ensures a clean start for your plants and prevents root suffocation. Loosen roots before repotting for healthier plants. This process, known as root teasing, can lead to better growth and plant health. Use aloe vera and toilet paper for air layering, a form of plant cloning. This method can yield new plants from existing ones. Add aspirin to your potting mix for better root formation. This common household item can boost the health of your plants. Make your own hydroponic cloner for rapid root growth. This method can lead to faster propagation and healthier plants. Create a calcium-rich solution for your plants using eggshells. This provides necessary nutrients, promoting overall plant health. Use cloth or a sheet for transporting garden items, a handy alternative to a wheelbarrow. Add aspirin to water when propagating cuttings. This can aid in root development and plant health. Split seeds with sandpaper for faster germination. This process, known as scarification, can speed up the germination process. Treat leaf curl virus with sour buttermilk and asafoetida. This natural remedy can help save your plants from this common disease. Use eggshells as biodegradable seed pots. This not only recycles kitchen waste, but also provides a nutrient-rich environment for your seeds. Improve your soil with buried chalk sticks. This can help to neutralize acidic soils and provide essential nutrients. Strengthen roots with phosphorus sources. This can lead to healthier, stronger plants. Test seed viability by water sinking. This simple test can save you time and effort by ensuring you're planting viable seeds. Protect your nails with soap before gardening. This can prevent dirt from getting under your nails and making cleanup easier. Repel animals with vinegar-soaked cloths. This can help keep your garden free from unwanted pests. Use a magnifying glass to inspect pests. This can help you identify and treat pest problems more effectively. Use tea waste for organic fertilizer or compost it for faster decomposition. This not only recycles kitchen waste but provides essential nutrients for your plants. Space seeds evenly on toilet paper. This can help ensure even growth and prevent overcrowding. Harvest overripe produce to prevent pests. This can help keep your garden healthy and thriving. Soak seeds in Epsom salt for germination. This can help speed up the germination process. Use a toothpick for small seed sowing. This can help ensure precision and prevent overcrowding. Acidify soil for acid-loving plants. This can help ensure your plants are in the ideal growing conditions. Test soil pH with litmus paper. This can help you better understand your soil and how to care for it. Use toilet paper rolls or newspapers as seed pots. These biodegradable options provide a sustainable alternative to plastic pots. Grow mosquito-repelling plants. These can help keep your garden comfortable and pest-free. Lastly, use turmeric to prevent plant diseases. This common kitchen spice can help keep your plants healthy and thriving. In summary, these 45 gardening tips range from using household items like aloe vera, aspirin, and eggshells to improve plant health, to innovative methods like hydroponic cloning and root teasing. These hacks can help make your gardening journey easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. So get out there and start gardening.